In this video, I am going to show you how to use Pictory.ai to make faceless videos. To make faceless videos using Pictory.ai, first open your preferred browser by left-clicking on the browser icon. In the search bar, type Pictory.ai and hit enter. This will take you to the Pictory.ai website. As you can see, Pictory.ai is a video creation tool for YouTubers, course creators, marketing agencies, content creators, digital marketers, coaches, businesses, and all sorts of fields. To use Pictory.ai, simply left-click the yellow Get Started for Free button in the middle of the page. On the next page, sign up on Pictory.ai using Google or your email. After signing up, this will take you to the dashboard. Here you have a set of options: a script to video tool, an article to video tool, an edit video using text tool, and a visuals to video tool. To create a faceless video, we're going to use the script to video tool. Let me left-click the proceed button in the middle of the page. This will take us to the script editor. First, enter the video name. For this example, we will say example video as our video name. Below that, you can start typing your script or paste your script. You can use ChatGPT to create a script, but for this example, I'm just going to type a short example script. Left-click the proceed button in the top right corner. As you can see, the video has been created. It's only 11 seconds long since our script was very short. Here you have your script and your video. You have all these visuals that the AI selected for you. You can change the orientation of your video simply by left-clicking on this drop box and choosing whether you want your video to be landscape, portrait, or square. Let's make this portrait. The video will be cropped into a portrait video. On the left side, you have a navigation bar. You have an audio option. Left-click on the audio option. Here you can add soundtracks to your video. You can also add voiceovers. Simply left-click the voiceover option in the top navigation bar. Here, choose a voice you want to use. You can use female voices, male voices, and filter through age and purposes. If it's an ASMR video, check this box. If it is a controversial video, check this box. You can also go through accents, which is very useful. You even have an Indian accent. Note that you only have 5 minutes of voiceover in this free account. Another option you have is the text option in the left navigation bar. Left-click on it. You can add text to your video. Simply choose the type of heading you want to use. It will be added to your video on the right side. Now simply type whatever you want. I'm going to write example. As you can see, this has been added to the video. You also have an elements option. Left-click on it. Here you have stickers, GIFs, and emojis, frequently used by people. To add one, simply left-click and it will be added to your video. And that's pretty much it. You can edit your video, add voiceovers, and do all sorts of stuff. At the end, simply left-click the download button in the top right corner and your video will be processed and downloaded.